Alright everybody, welcome back to Orange Track Outlaws. It is race night, and take a look at the cars we got set up for tonight's race. Looks like a good batch. Let's see what we got here. We got the 5-pack Fast and Furious. Some cool cars in there. GT40, Torino, Evo. Some good cars here. Let's go down the line real quick. Oh, we got a Faster Than Ever 370Z. Got a Matchbox in here. Pretty sweet looking old car. I like it. Not sure what. Oh, sorry. Right in the corner. 33 Ford Coupe. Duh. Okay, we get the Shelby Cobra 427 in the color changer. Oh, we get another Matchbox here. We got the Sugar Daddy version of the GT40. Got some glow-in-the-dark wheels. We got the Hot Wheels Warp Speeder. We got the Datsun 240Z, Lamborghini Diablo, Ford Mustang convertible. Pretty sweet looking car here. We got the I think that's F50, I believe. Ferrari F50. Sweet car. Moving on here. Let's see. We got one of the newer twin mills. On the Civic. We got the Hot Wheels Nightburner. What we got here? Chevelle SS. Some crazy taxi graphics. 57 T-Bird in the gold shimmer. Blackwall. It's an oldie. Let's see here. We got the Bone Shaker with the red edition. Got ourselves a Nerve Hammer. 2010 Camaro Ss, pretty sweet looking car. Look at this one. This is a badass looking car here. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Sweet looking car. Another Matchbox. 72 Ford Bronco. Got the 56 Flash Cider. Got the Porsche 959. Got one of the newer ones, 2017 Lamborghini Urus. Got an open pack one here. Got an oldie 300ZX gold wheels. This one actually has some doors that open on it. This is a pretty cool looking car here. Doors open and everything. Wheels spin pretty good. It's an older one. Let's see how fast she is. Oh, you know, Ford Maverick. Got the Governor, Iron Man style. Got an Olds 442. Oh, we got the 2011 Dodge Charger RT, Batmobile version. We got one of the Hot Wheels Racing Edition 2000. This one's the number 99 car, X-Side. If you watch the last couple races, I've already raced 2 in this version, and they were my 2 fastest. So we'll see if this guy can keep going with it. Oh, we got here. We got the Spider-Man black car. Pretty cool looking. Got the 1968 tuned Mustang, and we got a new, got a mystery model here, which I have opened up. Let's see what it is here. Looks like a Fast Fish Hot Wheels version. Fast Fish. That's a pretty cool little paint job with the flames on it. I like it. Alright guys, get these bad boys opened up and we're gonna get to racing. See you in a minute. Okay, race 1's up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Ford GT40. Lane 2, we got the Hot Wheels Nerve Hammer. Lane 3, we got the 2010 Camaro. Lane 4, we got the Nissan 350Z. In lane 5, we got the 1970 Roadrunner. In lane 6, we got the Lamborghini Diablo. Who's it going to be? Here we go, guys. I don't know, I kind of like that Lambo. Lane 6, I know Nerve Hammers are fast. I think I'm going to go with lane 5 with that sweet looking Roadrunner. Let's race. Here we go. Race 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, the Roadrunner's out big. Oh, look at that 350Z come through. Wow. Oh yeah. yeah, the brother is out big. Oh, look at the 350Z come through. Wow. All right, race 2 is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Bone Shaker. Lane 2, we got the 72 Torino from Fast and Furious. Lane 3, we got the 56 Flash Sider. Lane 4, 2011 Dodge Charger. Lane 5, we got the Ford Maverick. In lane 6, we got the Mitsubishi Evo from Fast and the Furious, or Too Fast, Too Furious. All right, who's it gonna be? I don't know who to pick here. I think I'm gonna go with lane 1 and that Bone Shaker. Let's go. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. That Evo's out big.
Winner, lane 6.
Evo's out big.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, race 3 up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Twin Mill. Lane 2, we got the Shelby Cobra Color Shifter. Lane 3, we got the 72 Ford Bronco. Lane 4, we got the 2018 Honda Civic. Lane 5, we got the Spider-Man car. Lane 6, we got the 68 Blown Mustang. Alright, who are we taking here? I don't even know. This could be a good one. I think I'm going to pick, I'm going to go with that Spider-Man car, lane 5 for me. Let's race. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Spider-Man car's out. Got it.
Winner, lane 5.
Oh, the Spider-Man car's out. Got it.
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, race 4 up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Ford GT40. In lane 2, we got the Exide NASCAR. That one there is from the same series as our other fast NASCARs that have been taking all the wins, so should be a good one there. Lane 3, we got a really cool Olds 442. Lane 4, we got a Ferrari F50. In lane 5, we got the 2017 Lamborghini Urus. In lane 6, we got the Nissan 300ZX. Well, I ask who you're going to take here, and if you're not going to pick lane 2, then you're probably going to lose. So, lane 2, here we go. Let's race. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, NASCAR's out big.
Winner, lane 2.
Oh yeah, NASCAR's out big.
Winner, lane 2.
Okay, race 5 up and ready. Lane 1, 65 Mustang convertible. Lane 2, Nissan 350Z with the FTE2 wheels. In lane 3, we got the 70 Chevelle SS. In lane 4, we got the Hot Wheels Governor. In lane 5, we got the 77 T-Bird. In lane 6, we got the 87 Porsche. What are we going for here? I really like that Mustang, but I think I'm going to go with lane 2 with that 350Z with the faster than ever wheels. Let's race. Okay, race 5. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Oh, the FTE didn't win.
Lane 3.
It's the Chevelle. Wow. Oh, the FTE didn't win.
Lane 3.
It's the Chevelle. Wow. Okay, race 6, up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Hot Wheels Night Burner. Lane 2, we got the 61 Impala from Fast and Furious. Lane 3, we got the Fast Fish. Lane 4, we got the Matchbox 33 Ford. Lane 5, we got the Hot Wheels Warp Speeder Glow. In lane 6, we got the Datsun 240Z. Who are we gonna pick here? Who are we gonna pick? I think my money is on 1, 3, or 6. But I think if I had to pick one, I think I'm gonna go lane 1 with the Night Burner. Let's race. Race 6. 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that Fast Fish way out. Woo!
Winner. Lane 3.
Wow, look at that Fast Fish way out. Woo!
Winner. Lane 3.
All right, here we go. These are all 6 winners lined up, ready to go. In lane 1, we got the Nissan 350Z from Too Fast, Too Furious. I think that's DK's car. Lane 2, we got the Mitsubishi Evo from Too Fast, Too Furious. Lane 3, we got the black Spider-Man car. Lane 4, we got the Exide NASCAR. Lane 5, 70 Chevelle SS. And lane 6, we got the Hot Wheels Fast Fish. This should be a good one. Who's it going to be? Anybody going to go against lane 4? I know I'm not. I'm going lane 4, Exide. Let's race. All right, finals. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Evo is fast, but the Exide took
Lane
it.
4.
Exide took
Lane
it.
4.
Okay, here we have tonight's champion in lane 1, the Exide NASCAR, going against our current champion, the McDonald's number 97 NASCAR. Let's find out if we're going to have a new number 1 tonight. I don't know. McDonald's is super fast. Let's race. Okay, tonight's champ, Exide, versus current number 1, McDonald's. 3, 2, 1. McDonald's.
Winner. Lane 2.
McDonald's.
Winner. Lane 2.
All right, guys. Here is a look at our current champ, the McDonald's NASCAR. Tonight's champ, the Exide car, just didn't have enough for the McDonald's car. This is a smoking fast car. Anyway, guys, fun night of racing. Got some fast cars there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for tuning in and checking out race night. I got some more coming up. I have some more NASCARs of this same series here, so I expect some more cars. I got lots more FTEs and mainlines and all kinds of stuff to race. So stay tuned for that. Check out all the other customs and redline restorations and all that other stuff if you're into it. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit them thumbs up and leave me a comment if you so choose. If you want to see me race a certain car, or you have a fast car you think that's great or something I need to look for to race, throw it in the comments. I'll check it out. Anyway, guys, thanks again, and Hopefully next race we might have a contender to go against this McDonald's car, but for now he's a champ. I will see you guys on next race night.